What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SkullCandy queitcomfort 35s, aka the Venues. Now this is their first attempt at a noise cancellation over-ear headphone, so let's see today, have they mastered it? Can they compete with the big dogs like BOSE and SONY? But before we begin, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and also follow me on Twitter. You can also contact me on there if you have any questions, as well as the comments down below. I'll always answer you guys, or do my best to. Now, upon opening the box, you will find the case. This case is actually really nice. I like the feel of it. It feels similar to the 1000XM3 box. Then you're gonna find a 3.5mm cord and the USB charger in there. It's pretty standard. Upon picking up the headphones, I noticed that they're a little bit creaky. Like, can you guys hear that? These things creak when they move around, so you might annoy the people around you, and it makes me kind of question the build quality of these headphones, and I'm sure anybody taking these out of the packaging will think the same. So I wish these were a little bit more solid out of the box so that people will feel like they got a $180 headphone. But for the most part, the leather ear cups feel really premium. They do get a little bit hot and they do press a little bit against your ear. That being said, that same pressure creates a great seal, better than I think Sony and BOSE, and the headband has metal inside, so you will be getting some protection there. I wouldn't push it too far with these headphones. I wish that it was a little bit better on the build quality side. On the left ear cup, you will find a power button with an indicator, which is always appreciated. A noise cancellation button for the noise cancellation, which we'll get into later. Also on the right ear cup, you'll find the volume controls with a kind of a quick attention feature, which is cool, where you can just hit this button and it will dampen your music, kind of like Sony's feature. So I like that they added that in. That's great for like when you're in an airport and you need to hear announcements and things like that. Other than that, I love the color of these. You guys know I love low profile. The matte black finish on these is amazing. Yeah, so overall the build quality could be better. Get rid of the creakiness, but I do like the button layout. So when it comes to the sound of these headphones, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, they need a burn-in period. Right out of the box, I was pretty concerned because they sounded super muddy. They did not sound like an $180 pair of Bluetooth headphones. So I let them burn in for a little bit, and to my surprise, the vocals became nice and warm. Those midtones. The sub bass is not there with these headphones, which I'm surprised because that is what SkullCandy has made their name off of. Instead, there's a lot of mid to upper bass, kind of like the BOSE QC35s, which is why I kind of alluded to them being kind of in competition. So more of a neutral sounding headphone from SkullCandy, which is very surprising, but I kind of see where they're going. They're trying to make kind of like a travel line with these, and that is much appreciated. It's something different, so different strokes for different folks. You know, not everybody is into bass. I know a lot of people are, myself included, but not always. That being said, these go with rap and EDM still just fine. It does do classical music, but it could be a little bit better. Jazz and things like that also sound pretty good. The highs, of course, are not as present in these. The treble is not as present, which is to be expected. It's a pair of SkullCandy headphones. Other than that, I think these are a good to like just okay set of cans. And also I did not get any lag when watching videos. That being said, the real star of the show is the noise cancellation. These actually, to my surprise, can hold their own against BOSE and SONY. They're not as good. You can tell there's not that crazy technology in these, but it does a great job of blocking out outside noise. Along with the seal of these headphones, like I said at the beginning in the comfort and design area, the seal and the noise cancellation form a great pair in this case, and it makes these amazing. So whether that's like weights clanking at the gym or people talking or things like that, it really does a good job of blocking all of that out and blocking out your surroundings, almost too good sometimes. And you're getting this all at $180. So next up, I want to talk about the call quality. It's not that great. It sounds like you're on a walkie-talkie. They did not put a lot of time into the mic, which I think they should if they want to compete with BOSE and SONY, because a lot of business people, they want that kind of feature. They want a good mic in their headphones. So yeah, they need to increase the mic quality in these headphones in the next version. The battery life is actually outstanding in my opinion. They have quick charging. 10 minutes of charging will give you 5 hours, which is better than BOSE. Also, you get 24 hours of battery life. That is in between the Sony's at 30 and the BOSE QC35s at 20. So a nice middle ground there for battery. They also have a losing your headphones feature where if you lose your headphones, you can track them. So that's another nice feature. I do think that most people, if they lose their headphones, if they lay them down somewhere, unless you're in a really nice area, they're going to take them or they're not going to turn them in. They're just going to be like, ooh, nice pair of headphones. Bye. Especially these, they look pretty good. So who are these for? These are for people, obviously rap and EDM and R&B. These go great. They're not so good for people that love those highs and treble and like clarinets and trumpets and things like that. I would definitely skip over these for those genres, but for everything else, they sound pretty good. And the noise cancellation is actually outstanding. I would use these for the gym actually. That's what I recommend these for the most. I wouldn't recommend these for travel really, but more for like the gym. If you just want a $180 pair of headphones that sound good, that get you pumped, these will do the trick. For comfort, I feel like they're kind of lacking for long trips and flights and travel and things like that. So I would probably skip over them for that area. But these will make a great gym headphone if you are into over-ear headphones. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy BT, and I am saying peace. See you in the next one.